The University of Texas Water Ninjas sought to find a regenerative solution to the effects of climatic changes and a technology to ensure water for communities in arid regions all over the world. We used biomimetic principles to understand how desert organisms, like the horny toad and agave plant, deal with low access to ground and surface water so that our cities and agriculture can become more efficient at water mitigation. The HydroTree is a freestanding structure that will condense and catch water for various domestic and agricultural uses. Water will condense on the surface of the petals, optimized through high petal-to-air temperature contrast, orientation to wind direction, while minimizing loss to evaporation. The HydroTree also collects rain and can be enhanced to maximize rainwater collection.
The HydroTree is an alternative to traditional sources of water and traditional notions of resource allocation and availability. This project has the potential to change the current stigmas about personal water collection and to move the conversation towards acceptance and eventually widespread utilization of alternative sources of water. The net of social change that could potentially be cast by the HydroTree is vast and far-reaching.
We see our city as an ecosystem. In a healthy urban ecosystem, resources are abundant and dispersed throughout the community. The HydroTree is a tool to increase resilience and take the strain off of ground and surface waters.
In the 8 years that we've been farming, we've had 3 years of progressively worse drought. We've become more and more dependent on the city for water. So we need a lot more options for where we get our water from. We need high quality, reliable water on a regular basis so we can feed you.
In the future, the HydroTree will incorporate upcycled materials, and its success will be marked by the integration into a community, creating a positive feedback loop. It could function as a vehicle to create conditions conducive to forward thinking and the propagation of change as viewed through the lens of consumer choice.